This website gets 43 million visitors every month and makes over $430,000 in passive income just from Google AdSense. I'm talking about Small PDF, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own version using just one AI tool, even if you've never written a single line of code in your entire life. Now, look at these analytics. 43 million monthly visits with a $10 RPM. That's nearly $500,000 flowing in every single month, completely passive. And the crazy part, we're about to recreate this entire business model in the next 20 minutes using AI to do all the heavy lifting. I have zero coding knowledge, zero web development knowledge and experience, but by the end of this video, we'll have built a fully functional PDF converter website, connected to Google AdSense for that passive ad revenue, and set up Stripe for premium features. The AI will literally write every single line of code, design every page, and handle all the technical stuff while we just guide it. This is exactly how regular people are building million-dollar websites in 2025. Not by learning to code for years, but by knowing how to work with AI tools. So if you've ever wanted to build a passive income website, but thought you needed to be a developer, this video is about to change everything for you. The AI tool that we're going to use is Replit. And with my code CC, you will get a 10% discount and full access to the Replit agent, and I added the link for that in the description down below. Let's get this thing started. The first step is building the actual structure of the app, how it looks, how it feels, and how users move through it, and we're not going to worry about the features just yet. Right now, it's about creating something that looks clean, works smoothly on any device, and doesn't ask for a single login. It should be a modern, responsive layout that's ready to be scaled. Here's the prompt that we'll give Replit. Create a full-featured PDF utility web app with a clean, modern UI, no login required, add a left-side navigation with the sections Convert, Compress, Edit, Organize, Sign, and AI tools. Important disclaimer. Building websites and making money online isn't easy despite what the other YouTubers are saying. When I show you how to build a website, I'm just demonstrating the technical process and potential, not guaranteeing your results. These AI tools are legit and the techniques work, but success really depends on your execution, timing, and honestly, some luck. Most websites don't make money immediately, and many don't make money at all. I'm not promising you'll get rich or to quit your job. This is definitely not a financial advice or a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm just showing you what's possible with these tools, and what you do with that knowledge is entirely up to you. Alright, expectations set, let's continue to build the website. That prompt generates the backbone of the app. A sleek dashboard with a fixed left-hand panel that clearly separates tools into their own sections. Everything loads into its own module, which makes it easy to navigate and even easier to maintain or scale later on. The design is clean, responsive, and frictionless. No login prompts, no unnecessary setup, just a sharp, modern interface that's ready to handle PDF tasks across any device. It's a simple start, but it sets the tone for everything else that follows. Now that the layout is ready, we need to add real functionality, starting with the two of the most essential features, converting and compressing PDFs. These are the tools people come looking for, and they need to work fast, clean, and without confusion. If these aren't smooth, the rest doesn't really matter. So to build them, we'll tell Replit, in the Converter section, add PDF to Word, Word to PDF, and PDF to Excel tools. In the Compress section, allow users to reduce PDF file size while maintaining quality. All tools should allow uploading, processing, and downloading files. This sets up two dedicated sections, Convert and Compress, each handling its task with a simple upload, process, download flow. The conversion tools make it easy to switch between popular document formats, while the compression tool helps shrink large PDFs without losing quality, which is perfect for sharing or emailing. These are exactly the kind of features that get used daily, so they need to feel effortless. However, we can upload and process files, but we can't see a way to download them. That's a problem. So to patch that gap, we'll follow up with, "So I uploaded the files, but I can't see any." Add a button that allows users to download the files. That prompt adds a clear download buttons after each task. Super straightforward, but instantly makes the experience feel complete. All actions run client-side for speed and simplicity. No server setup needed, no waiting around. Everything now works as expected, and the app starts to feel genuinely useful. Alright, let's be honest, editing a PDF is one of those tasks that should be simple but usually turns into a hassle. Most people end up downloading sketchy tools or dealing with clunky software. So this part really matters. If we can make editing feel smooth, visual, and actually enjoyable, the app immediately stands out from every generic PDF tool out there. So to get this part working, we'll tell Replit, in the Edit section, let users highlight, insert text or shapes, draw freely, add images, redact text, crop PDFs, insert page numbers, and apply watermarks, show changes live. This creates a full-featured editing interface layered directly onto a live preview canvas. Users can click in, highlight text, draw shapes, crop pages, everything updates in real time. It's intuitive and it feels like something you'd expect from a polished PDF tool. But of course, not everything works perfectly the first time. Some tools like cropping, inserting shapes, and adding page numbers needed fine-tuning. So we'll follow up with, page numbers, crop pages, and insert shapes all need improvement. They're not working properly. And with that, the buggy behavior is now fixed and everything starts running more smoothly. These editing tools now cover the most common use cases, and visually, they're right in line with a clean, modern feel of the rest of the app. This is where the app really starts to look like more than just a utility. It becomes something people can actually rely on. Editing is one thing, but what really frustrates people is managing pages. Maybe they need to delete a few, merge two files, or split one big document into sections. It's not flashy, but it's the kind of functionality people remember when it works smoothly or rage quit when it doesn't. So getting this page right matters more than it seems. So to build this functionality, we'll guide Replit with this prompt. In the Organize section, allow users to merge multiple PDFs, split by page range, delete pages, rotate pages, and rearrange page order via drag and drop. This unlocks a full set of organizing tools, but some of these actions didn't behave perfectly at first. We have a few hiccups here in page rendering, but we can fix that with a follow-up prompt. Users can now drag and drop pages to rearrange them in seconds, select custom page ranges to split out exactly what they need, and manage large files without the usual headaches. The Merge tool handles multiple PDFs with ease and delivers a clean, combined file ready to download with one click. For our next feature, digital signatures aren't just a nice-to-have, they are an essential part of any serious PDF tool. If users can sign documents directly in the app, they're going to leave and find something that can do. So this section needs to be straightforward, flexible, and feel reliable from the start. So to build it, we'll give Replit this prompt. In the Sign section, let users draw, type, or upload a signature and place it on selected PDF pages with adjustable size and position. The core signature tools work just as expected, making it easy to add personal or professional signatures. Users can draw with a mouse, type one out, or upload an image, and then place it exactly where they need it. Resizing and positioning are fully supported so it fits wherever it needs to go. One thing to note, there's no live preview before placing the signature, but the overall flow is still smooth. It's more than enough for signing contracts, filling out agreements, or handling any kind of formal PDF documentation. So now with this setup, the app becomes instantly more useful for formal tasks, anything from contracts and agreements to everyday admin work. It's simple, but it opens the door to real-world use cases. Here's where things get interesting. Up to this point, the app has been all about utility, convert, edit, compress, but we can actually add intelligence on top of the documents themselves. Instead of just manipulating files, users can now interact with them, learn from them, and generate content automatically. So to make that happen, we'll prompt Replit with this. In the AI Tools section, add Chat with PDF, ask questions, summarize PDF content, translate summary to user-selected language, generate quiz, MCQ, true or false, open-ended, use OpenAI. This creates a full set of smart tools powered by OpenAI. The Chat with PDF feature enables real-time Q&A using the document's actual content, while the summarization tool breaks down lengthy PDFs into digestible overviews. Users can translate those summaries into different languages, and the quiz generator creates practice questions in multiple formats, perfect for educators or self-learners. At one point, the responses started returning as undefined, and the answers are not being generated properly. So to fix that, we'll follow up with, answers are coming out as undefined, the AI features are still unable to provide answers. After debugging, things are now a lot more stable. Content is parsed correctly, answers display as expected, and the AI layer is actually helpful. These tools turn static documents into something interactive and dynamic, making the app stand out from other typical PDF utilities. Now that the app's packed with features, I want to set up a clean way to monetize without ruining the user experience. Nobody wants to hit a paywall too early or feel like basic features are locked behind subscription. So we will let people explore the app freely and only charge for the tools that require extra power and resources. Compress and AI are perfect for that. They're high value and users will instantly see why they're worth unlocking. So to implement this, we'll use the following prompt. Set up Stripe to restrict access to Compress and AI tools. Connect Stripe API keys, product price ID, and webhook for payment confirmation. Use test mode to simulate payment. This connects everything to Stripe's API, including keys and webhook logic. Test mode is also active during setup, allowing full checkout simulations without processing real payments. To polish the flow, we'll follow up with include Stripe test checkout after a successful subscription, remove the paywalls, and add a premium badge. Once that's in place, the system works end-to-end. A $4.99 per month subscription unlocks the gated features, and a premium badge appears instantly after payment. Stripe handles the subscription lifecycle through webhooks, keeping access secure and automatic. No manual approvals, no mess. Just a smooth, real-world payment layer baked right into the app. However, not every user is going to upgrade, and that's totally fine. But even free traffic has value, especially when certain tools like Convert and Edit draw consistent daily use. So instead of pushing people toward paywalls, we can monetize those visits passively through Google AdSense. It's a low-friction way to turn usage into revenue without changing how the app feels. So to get that in place, we'll guide Replit with this prompt. Integrate Google AdSense and display banner ads in Convert, Edit, and Organize sections. Include meta tag for site verification and ad unit placement process. This sets up banner ad placements on all non-premium pages and inserts a meta tag in the header for AdSense site verification. Placeholder slot IDs are added to the layout so everything's ready for live ads once the site gets approved. So to move this into production, you'll need to replace the sample publisher ID with your actual AdSense ID, create matching ad units inside the AdSense dashboard, and then update the placeholder slot IDs to match. After deploying the site, submit it for review and keep an eye on your AdSense dashboard for approval status and ad activity. Once it's cleared, live ads will begin serving automatically, turning regular user traffic into passive revenue in the background. We just reverse engineered a 6-figure traffic machine and rebuilt it from scratch using nothing but AI. Every major feature you've seen on platforms like SmallPDF, now it's yours. Live editing, compression, file conversion, AI-powered summaries, paywalls, passive ads, it's done. This isn't some no-code experiment. It's a real product, one that's built to monetize, scale, and ship today. So if this walkthrough lit a fire or got your gears turning, don't let it stop here. These tools are already in your hands. Replit's link down below and use the code CC for full access and a discount on the AI agent. Also, don't forget to subscribe for the next build and see you on the next one. Bye!